Good morning again, sports fans. Friday morning, Friday the 13th, September 13th, and it's going to be a full moon. This is new construction Pardue. Right around the corner from where I just showed you, where we scraped the lot. We're now putting up the walls. These guys do a fantastic job. Sun's coming up, beautiful day. Walls are going up. This thing is clipping along very fast. And again, it is another fantastic new construction project that I'm doing with my friends from Nova Homes. Again, Mike Skudnig with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, 219-406-6482, 219-406-6482. Give me a call if you would like to build a house in Southwest Florida. I'd love to give you a hand. Here comes the crew. We're gonna put up some more block right now. Here bright and early on a Friday the 13th. All right, everybody, have a great weekend. Have a great Friday the 13th. Be safe.